not Ethan's brother. I'm not.
Tablet mo.
Ethan is now one of them. He is now one of them forever and ever and ever and ever until he dies.
I don't need me.
Ethan's one of them na. Naging infected na. This is not
You
Ethan.
cannot push me.
This is Ethan's ano na avatar. LOL.
Should we say that?
LOL. Ang ganda mo. Ganda ka, bilis ako mag-clap kung ano. Bagyan ka, bilis ako mag-clap.
Ay, ito yung nakita ko. Kanina na waiting ko. Ay! Ako nag-cellphone pag habang uuwi ako. Sabi ko, imagine me sitting tapos sabi, naisip kong ganun. Nag-clap.
Who's attacking our own group?
Oy. Good boy. Oy, si King to? Yan. Si King to?
Oo, si King na furry.
Oy!
Sa kading, sa dung, kading, ding, ding. Ay, nagla-loading to.
Ay! Alam ko yung King. Sa kadong pa din
You got good! May nag-good sa'yo! Dinamani ko sa puwet. Bro! Who's kicking our own team? Eto.
What is that freaking I saw? Is that a Nico?
Oo! Ikaw nga to! Ito
Sino?
ng avatar mo, Ethan!
I would
Yeah,
rather-
you look beautiful!
Or don't pull out your dick, okay? Don't pull your dick, okay? Don't pull your dick. My cookie!
You're... Oh! No! Don't die.
I don't pull your dick up. Okay. No, wag na. Baka mas-
Avatar na ni Ethan! He got infected! And daw pinkful! Oh! Yeah! Good! Your avatar is so good na! Sana ganito avatar mo for ano?
Forever.
Yeah.
Dapat si Ethan naging babae.
Ay!
You want me to play catalog